Friends, now we're ready for our math lesson. For this math lesson, you're going to want to grab your 10 cube stick, which you all got yesterday when you received your packets, and a piece of paper and a pencil. I'm going to grab my marker and my whiteboard so that you can see what we are about to do. Today, we're going to talk about a word called decomposing. Do you know what decomposing means? That's right, decomposing means when you take numbers apart. So we're going to listen to different stories and find different ways to take a number apart. Because there's not just one way to take a number apart, there's many different ways. So here's your first story. So to get ready for this, we're going to draw an empty number bond. So we're going to draw that top circle. And then we're going to draw two connecting lines coming off of the top. Then we're going to draw two circles coming off of, one circle coming off of each connecting line. Like this. Alright, so ready for your first story? Caleb had 5 cookies. He gave some to Abigail and ate the rest. What is one way we can show how many cookies Caleb and Abigail had? Well, that's a great question. Let's show that with a cube. So I want you to take your 10 cube stick and break off 5 pieces. So you're going to take one of the 5 sticks on your 10 stick. So we had 5 cookies. Now the problem says that Caleb gave some to Abigail. Do you remember what the word some means? That's right, it can mean a few. So in this problem, it can mean anywhere from 1 to 5. We don't really know what that number is. So if we want to say some, maybe, I think that Caleb is a generous friend. I think that some of the cookies he gave 4 cookies to Abigail. He was a really nice friend. So if he gave 4 to Abigail, 1, 2, 3, 4, how many does he have left for himself? That's right, he only has 1 cookie left for himself. Could we turn this into number bonds? I think so too. So how many cookies did we start off with? That's right, we started off with 5 cookies. Did we get any more cookies, or was that all the cookies we had? That's right, that was all the cookies we had. We didn't have any more. So the 5 is the whole. Where does the whole go on our number bonds? That's right, it goes at the top. So you're going to write a 5 at the top of your number bonds. Now, we said that Abigail got how many cookies? That's right, she got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to write a 4 in one of the bottom circles. And how many cookies were left for Caleb? That's right, 1. So you're going to write a 1 in that other bottom circle. Could we put what we just did with a number bond into a number sentence? I think so too. So we're going to use a plus sign and an equal sign. What number should come first in our number sentence? That's right, we could take the number 4. So you're going to write a 4, and then you're going to write a plus sign, like a lowercase t, like we have up here. 4 plus what? What number should we add to 4? That's right, we should add the other bottom number, 1, to the 4. Equals, what is 4 plus 5 equal? If you're not sure, you could use your fingers to count. 4 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so 4 plus 1 must be 5. So we're going to draw a 5 next to the equal sign. Now, let's see if there was a different way we could have done that problem. So you're going to draw a brand new number bond next to the one you already made. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to erase my numbers so that I can use the same number bond, but I'm going to keep the addition sentence we just made. So now, I want you to put your 5 cubes back together. Let's say that Caleb was a little bit more hungry, so he didn't share all of his cookies. How many cookies do you think he should share this time? I think that's a great idea. So this time we're going to say that he shared 3 cookies with Abigail. 1, 2, 3. So if he shared 3 cookies with Abigail, how many does he have for himself? That's right, 2. 1, 2. So now, let's put that into a number bond. How many cookies did we say that he shared with Abigail this time? That's right, 3. 1, 2, 3. And where does the 3 go on a number bond? The bottom or the top? And how do you know? That's right, the 3 goes on the bottom because 3 is only some of the cookies we have. Abigail doesn't have all the cookies. And how many cookies did we say Caleb has? That's right, he has 2. Where does the 2 go on a number bond and how do you know? That's right, it goes at the bottom because 2 is only some of the cookies, not all the cookies that we had. Now, what number goes at the top? To figure this out, we could add the numbers, we could count on, or we could count all of our cubes. Great job using the different strategies. You're right, the number 5 goes at the top. Now, could we write what we just did into an addition sentence? How are we going to do that? What comes first? That's right, we want to put a 3. Now write it down at the bottom. What comes next? That's right, plus. Plus, what are we adding it to? That's right, 2. 3 plus 2, what else? Equals what? That's right, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Wait a second. That can't be, because we said 4 plus 1 equals 5. So, could 3 plus 2 equal 5 too? That's right, it can. Let's check our work. Hold up 3 fingers. Hold up 2 with the other hand. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. So there was a few different ways that we were able to make 5. And I bet if we kept on going and sharing our cookies different ways, we could have found even more ways. But we're going to stop there for right now so that we can listen to the next story. So, you're going to draw a brand new number bond next to the 2 sentences and number bonds you've already drawn. And I'm going to erase my number sentences and the numbers in my number bond so that we are ready to go for the next story. Are you ready, friends? Alright, here we go. Jaden had 7 fish. He gave some fish to Amelia and kept the rest. How many fish do Jaden and Amelia have? This sounds like the other problem that we were doing. So with your cubes, you're going to put 7 together. Let's do it. Oh, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice job. Do you have your 7 cubes? Great. So now, problem says that Jaden gave some fish to Amelia. But it doesn't tell us the number, it just says some. So that could mean anywhere from 1 to 7. And I think that Jaden is also a generous friend, and he shared a lot of his fish with Amelia. I'm going to say that he shared 5 fish with Amelia. So break off your stick and show me 5 on one stick. So how many fish then did Jaden keep for himself? That's right, 2. 1, 2. Let's see if we could turn this into a number bond. So how many fish did Jaden give to Amelia? That's right, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you put the 5 where it goes on the number bond? That's right. How did you know it goes at the bottom? That's right, because Jaden only had some of the fish. He didn't have all the fish. Ooh, and I'm sorry, friends. That's a little sideways. I want to make sure I write it nice and straight. Oh, that's a little better. Oh, wait. And how many fish did Jaden keep for himself? That's right, 2. Write where the 2 goes and let me know how you know. That's right, it also goes at the bottom because Jaden didn't have all the fish. Amelia had some fish as well. And now, do you know what number goes at the top? How did you know it was 7? That's right, because you can use the strategy of counting all the cubes. You could add the numbers together, or you can use the counting on strategy. This time, let's use the counting on strategy. So I put my 7 at the top. So which number at the bottom is bigger, 5 or 2? That's right, the number 5 is bigger. So we're going to punch the air, say 5, and then we're going to count on 2 more times. 5, 6, 7. So our answer at the top is 7. That's right. Can you write a number sentence out of the numbers we just used in our number bond? How did you do? What did you come up with? That's right. 5 plus 2 is 7. Well, friends, you are getting so great at writing your number sentences. All right, so 5 plus 2 is 7. Do you think we can find another way to make 7? I think so too. So you are going to draw another number bond, an empty one, right next to the one that you just drew. And I'm just going to erase my numbers. And now you're going to take your cubes and put 7 back together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your 7 stick ready? Perfect. So now let's pretend that Jaden wanted to keep a few more fish for him because he was really loving some of these fish. So this time, how many do you think that Jaden should keep for himself? And how many should he give to Amelia? Well, I like your ideas. Let's go with 4 for Jaden. So Jaden kept 4 fish and he gave the rest to Amelia. How many fish did he give to Amelia? That's right, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, let's write that on our number bond. Where does number 4 go on our number bond? That's right, it goes at the bottom. Can you write where the 3 goes on our number bonds? How do you know? That's right, it goes at the bottom as well because it's only part of the number of fish we have. And do you know what number goes at the top? You're right, it's 7 again. What? Could we turn what we just did into an addition sentence? That sounds great. Let's write that. 4, and taking the number at the bottom, plus, going to pretend there's a plus sign here, 3, going to pretend these are the equal lines, 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Wait a second, that can't be, because we said that this number sentence equaled 7. Could this number sentence equal 7 too? It can? Oh, so just like we saw with the number 5, there's many different ways to make the number 7 as well. Thanks for watching, friends, and we will have one problem in the comment section for you to do by yourself. So I hope that this video helped, and stay tuned for our enrichment video.